So, hello everyone, this is Advocate Radhika Sharma, legal advisor at Lexis and Company. तो जाओ वेलकम टू अवर चैनल. सो आज का जो हमारा वीडियो प्रेजेंटेशन है इज़ अबाउट विडोज राइट इन हर हस्बैंड प्रॉपर्टी अंडर द हिंदू सक्सेशन एक्ट. So basically the section 10 in the Hindu Succession Act 1956 talk about the distribution of the property in situation where a husband die interstate, and says that distribution of property shall take place among the heirs in class first of the schedule, wherein the rule 1 specifically state that the interstate widow, or if there are more widows than one, all the widows together shall take one share. And if a husband die interstate and it survived by two widow and a son, class 1 के हायर्स हैं shall take the property simultaneously and to the exclusion of all other. According to the provision of Rule 1 of Section 10, both the widows of the husband shall take one half share in the property of the husband, and the other half share go to his son. And in situation where a husband die interstate, leaving two widows and no son, both of them shall inherit the property equally, and both of, like, suppose both of them shall be entitled to one half share, there being like no other class 1 higher. And अगर if वो जो एक वाइफ है, लाइक एक विडो वाइफ है, री मैरी वापस से शादी कर लेती है, कैन कीप द शेयर ऑफ हर डेड हस्बैंड प्रॉपर्टी. सो इस केस में इन 2008 में तो सुप्रीम कोर्ट ऑफ इंडिया ने डिसाइड किया दैट अ विडो हु री मैरीज कैन नॉट बी डिप्राइव ऑफ अ शेयर in her dead husband's property, as according to it the widow become an absolute owner of the deceased husband, reaches to the extent that her share under the provision of the Hindu Succession Act 1956 would prevail over the earlier Hindu widow remarriage act 1856. And with the Supreme Court of India did not concur with the provision of the Hindu Widows Remarriage Act 1856, which says that all rights and interest which any widow may have in her deceased husband property by way of maintenance or by inheritance shall cease upon her remarriage and set it aside. And the Supreme Court in its decision observed that the Hindu Succession Amendment Act has brought about a huge change in Shastri Hindu law that made Hindu widows eligible and equal in the matter of inheritance and succession among with male heirs. You guys, thank you for watching us.